simple recipe. I'm going to prepare egg bhurji. Very easy. Put lots of oil and I've kept it on high. And quickly just let me add the onions. Saute the onion for some time. I'm going to add some salt because it will get fried, quickly enough. So you can see how pure this coconut oil is because now it's a little bit cold. It's like cloudy out, and this is getting hardened. So that shows how pure this coconut oil is. Firstly because of the color, and second is because it solidifies when the temperature is low. So that's how you can understand that it's not impure. Maximum 1650 temperature. Time to add the chilies. Finely chopped. Saute it for some time and then I'll add the tomatoes. Five-minute bhurji recipe. Only 5 minutes. Adding the tomatoes a little bit, not much. We decrease the temperature. Now I think I'll adding some turmeric powder, a little. It will add definitely, good taste to this. Give it a good mix. And now I will add in the eggs. So I'm not very good, at breaking eggs. I think I'm not like a professional in breaking eggs. Use this. And now I'm going to add in just some little pepper powder, because I am not added red chili powder. I'm going to just add pepper powder. Keep it that way. And green chilies are added. So no, let's see. Just give it a good mix. Decrease the flame. Decrease the temperature. Yes, if required, I'll add a little bit of oil, but I can also add a little butter. If you add butter also, it will be very good. So I'll add in a little bit of oil. Yes, I think if I would add in some little butter, it would be better. Anyways, it's done. I'm going to put it off and garnish some coriander, fresh coriander leaves. Adding these herbs always add very good flavor to it. It adds to its taste. Like herbs, you can use like fenugreek leaves, methi. You can add a little bit of mint leaf powder, dry powder, or you can add the coriander leaves. You're going to serve this. Who's going to taste this? That's it. I think I'll taste it. So I have prepared it, so I think I should taste it. Good. Not that I'm hungry and I'm saying it's good. It's actually good. Even if I'm not hungry, yes, it is good. Bye bye. And do try out this burji. And next time maybe I can add some mushrooms in this and something more. You can grate some cheese on this. You add very good flavor. So mushroom, cheese, all of that. Shall I stop this? So I've shot a time lapse mode. Yeah. So the recipe on the time lapse mode on my GH5. And so let's see. I'm eager to see how the video has turned out on variable frame rate mode. So I'll be posting all my social media accounts in this description, and do follow me on Instagram. And I put up fitness videos. I love cooking also, and I love to work out, cook, eat, and sleep obviously. But then you also let me know that what you'll want, like what recipes you'll want me to experiment with. Okay, so bye bye.